is Renee Romeo of ReneeRomeo.com, and I have a secret. I'm participating in a sponsored partnership with the Home Depot for their 2019 Patio Style Challenge. Now that my secret is out of the bag, or in my case, the bucket, I'd also like to reveal that I'm using Hampton Bay's Laurel Oaks 4-piece conversation set along with Traeger's Pro 575 Smart Pellet Grill with Wi-Fi technology for this challenge. My post on the Home Depot blog will contain ideas for entertaining, as well as how to use outdoor patio accessories to make your next patio party a complete success. This is really going to blow up on social media, so make sure you're following me on LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and ReneeRomeo.com for my shopping and installation experience. I know you're dying to see what's inside this box, and I can assure you that my choices reflect the style and functionality that I look for when I entertain. But you're going to have to wait until the final reveal and sponsored post on the Home Depot blog.